Hello, my name is Crystal West. I'm the branch manager at Balgores Upminster. I'm currently standing in Argyle Gardens and I'm here to show you this lovely property that we've just taken on, situated just 0.2 miles from Cooper's School, 0.5 miles from Upminster Station. And if you wouldn't mind joining me, I'd like to show you what this property has to offer inside. This 4-bedroom extended semi-detached family home is being offered with no onward chain. The property is just a short walk away from local amenities on St Mary's Lane. The property is also very close proximity to not only Cooper's but Sacred Heart Secondary School and MEAD Secondary School. It also has fantastic primary schools locally, such as Upminster Junior School, St Joseph's Catholic Primary School and James Oglethorpe. On the ground floor, the property offers a large through lounge, a kitchen breakfast room, utility room and downstairs WC. Externally to the front of the property, there is off-street parking for multiple vehicles as well as an integral garage. So as you can see, this property is currently unfurnished internally and it can sometimes be quite hard to picture how you can put your own stamp on it, but hopefully this will help. You've seen what the property has to offer internally. We're now in the rear garden that is approximately 95 foot. It's west facing, it's very low maintenance with Astro lawn. Just behind me, you can see the further extension potential as well. My name's Crystal West, we are Balgores, and I cannot wait to show you this property soon.